Hi, it's Carrie and Sean from Owning Toronto.
And we are in the beautiful Greenwood Coxwell area.
So here we are in a 3-bedroom, 2-washroom home. It's lovely. Great size living room. We're here in the living room right now.
Yeah.
Bright,
Nice.
high ceilings.
There's us again. I like this mirror over here. Hi, everybody. Hi. And a cute little feature, this front door I really like.
Yes, you like the little door.
Honey! It's like you're riding a bike.
I'm home.
It's cute.
Or move out of the way.
You also liked and pointed out these LED piano windows there, which
yes,
super nice.
they're super cute. It's great to keep an eclectic, 20% of the old in with the new, just to keep it interesting. And these owners have definitely kept a lot of interesting features.
Like yeah. And so here we are in the open concept to the dining room, a nice big dining room.
Great size dining room. You got a 6-seater right here, but you can definitely fit an 8-seater.
Yeah.
You've got room for your little bar there. You could probably even add in another piece of furniture in the corner over there if you need it.
The bay window here, I like. That's one of the main features of this main floor.
Yes.
Super bright.
Yes.
Which I just love lots of windows. And then before we get into here, I just wanted to point out the flooring.
The floors
the main floor
are beautiful.
Very nice.
Great condition.
Yeah. And so into the kitchen here, where this looks like you're going to do a cooking show. Yeah.
Oi, what we're going to do today is, bam, that's all I know. I'm not.
Pretty good. Well, we'll work on the cooking show, okay?
Okay.
But very nice. The countertop is gorgeous.
Yes, very nice. The colors are beautiful. I love this butcher block with this color. It's very nice. What color is that, Sean?
I don't know, Carrie.
Okay.
Carrie's making fun of me. Anyway, I like this little feature with the plates too. That you can just slide into there as they come out of the dishwasher. And then, what's this?
This is your sitting area.
Yeah.
This is where your kids do their homework.
Yes,
you can keep a close eye on them while you're doing your dinners or
cooking dinner. And you can go, what are you doing? Get back. Back to work.
I see what you're doing there. Put your phone away.
And so a little back entrance as well.
Yep.
Which we like because it's a place to come in and sit down. You sit down here.
Yes.
Sit down here.
Sit anywhere.
Shoes off.
Yep, but more importantly, you get to sit when you put your shoes on.
And that's very
We
important.
don't need to balance anymore.
No. And then into this back garden, which is not huge, but it's nice. They've got a shed back there, a couple of lounging chairs, and a little table in the corner, a barbecue in the corner. It's very nice and very green, and you're going to need that shed because you're going to need the tools in there to take care of this garden and keep it trimmed back and looking as nice as these owners have kept it. Anyway, so we head back in, and now we're going to go downstairs.
We're going to go downstairs. Let's go down.
Down we go to the finished basement, and we have a laminate wood style flooring down here, which looks quite nice. And that's a cute little TV room, and height wise it's good enough. You're 5'11", 6 foot. You're gonna walk through here without hitting your head.
Right, you're like 6'2", right?
That's what I said on my dating profile, but that's probably not true, Carrie. It's probably time I fessed up to that.
This is a really good space. It's really nice and big, high ceilings. It's fairly bright. I mean, the window is little, but they got lots of pot lights down here, so that keeps it bright.
They do. And I like the shelving along the side. That's kind of cute. And you have some more storage over here, and then you have a little space there. You could probably put a desk or something there. And into the laundry room, which is quite nice. And this washer and dryer.
Oversized. It's huge.
Yeah,
I think they're big. I bet you could put some duvets in there.
You think?
Yeah.
Well, that's amazing. And then I like how they have the cupboard here that matches the cupboards upstairs. That's kind of nice. There's a little space here that they didn't finish that you could make into more storage.
Yeah.
And then another bathroom down here. So you've got a shower stall and a bathroom to hang out for when you're hanging out downstairs. Okay, so when we come upstairs, the first spot that we'll stop at is the bathroom. Carrie, what's going on here?
Nothing. It's a really nice washroom with heated floors.
Oh, just warming your toes up? Mm-hmm. Nice. Cute bathroom.
Yeah, definitely. There's room for your deep tub.
Mm-hmm. Yep. A tub. There's no shower currently in here, but there is a hand one
There's
there.
a handle thing here, so you could definitely take a shower-ish.
Add a shower curtain and turn that into a shower, no problem, I would think. Check out the carpeting that runs right down the hallway and into the primary bedroom, which is really, you don't see it as often as you used to. No, feels like a 70s thing to talk about, but hardwood in the bedrooms. And so in this bedroom here, this is a nice bedroom, a nice window looking over the garden, and you have yourself a nice sized closet there as well.
Yeah, decent sized closet.
New doors on all 3 bedrooms up here.
True, and an interesting detail to the hinges.
Yeah.
So definitely keeping the charm of the house throughout.
Yeah.
It's really a good idea to keep it interesting. Again, another bright room. There's also a closet just behind you.
Yeah, so they've taken the closet out of that basically, but all you're gonna do is put a door back on there and it's a closet again, and it's pretty spacious because the whole world is in it.
God.
Anyway, a good sized bedroom. That was a double bed there probably. And then we head into the primary. There is a linen closet along the side here, and into the primary room, and it's pretty nice in here.
It is a very good sized room. Consider that this is actually a queen bed. You could fit a king if you ever wanted to.
Quite easily.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 side tables there, plus
Plenty
lots
of room
on either side.
Yeah, as well as there's a ginormous dresser over here.
Yeah, so just space-wise, of course, I don't think that's going with the place.
No.
No.
But it can fit, which is
Illustrates
really important.
space. Yeah.
And also still a closet. So,
Yeah.
bam.
Pretty nice. Really cute place. And it sort of checks a lot of boxes, I think, for a lot of people shopping in this area.
Don't try anything different. Just stick to one.
Okay. 3. Look at the camera. 3. Buying or selling, owning Toronto takes care of your dwelling.